Hello guys, how is everybody doing? My name is Sagar and I'm an SD at Amazon. I have been at Amazon for about 5 years now, and I did my master's in the University of Southern California, and I'm very excited to bring you something very interesting at an academy. I'm starting with a very special micro course, and it's a series of micro course that will continue for the next few weeks, and the first part in the series is an introduction to system design. We'll be basically structuring this micro course into three parts, and the first part will basically be covering, what is system design, how do you handle system design interviews, or if you're looking to design a system or technology or a software or an application inside your company, inside your school project, your college project, what different things you should keep in mind, or even if you have a startup, how you should design your systems, or when you are faced with a system design interview, how you should tackle them. So we'll be starting really slow with a brief introduction about what is system design. We'll be going deeper into the microservice architecture. We'll be introducing what microservices are, and how you can play around with the microservice architecture. And in the third part of the course, we'll be dealing with scalability and how scalability comes into role when we think about system design. So that's the first part of the course. The second and the third part are going to come in subsequent weeks, and they're very exciting stuff where we'll be doing hands-on system design. We'll be looking into system design of a lot of new technologies that are in the market, and I am